Most people think you need a pile of cash to start a business. Nah, that's a lie. I built 19 companies, 15 of them with $0, and flipped some for millions. In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you how to start from nothing and actually make it work. Miss this? You might just miss your chance at freedom. All right, step 1. Get your first $10,000. Sounds crazy, right? But it ain't. Start with the people who know you best, your fam and your crew. Most people assume nobody's got the cash. Wrong. Your cousin, your uncle, even a distant family friend might have the dough. You just gotta have the guts to ask. Rule number 1. Be straight with them. Tell them they could lose it all. Sounds wild? Trust me, honesty goes a long way. People respect that. Respect equals loyalty, equals money in your pocket. Next up, we're moving from your fam to strangers who could drop $200,000 on you without even knowing you. Asterisk. Angel investors, $20,000 to $200,000. Short and practical. Here's how you actually get angel investors on board, even if you're broke. Step 1. Find them. They're doctors, lawyers, or small biz owners. Hit LinkedIn, local meetups, or even Facebook investor groups. Step 2. Make a one-page pitch. What your idea is, how it makes money, and how their cash helps it grow. Keep it simple. Step 3. Don't ask for money first. Ask for advice. Say, hey, can I get your thoughts on this? Once they're interested, mention investments. Step 4. Be real. Tell them there's risk, but you'll grind to make it work. People respect honesty. Step 5. Keep them in the loop. Show progress. When they feel part of the journey, they'll invest more. That's how you turn strangers into believers, and believers into backers. Crowdfunding, $0 to $50,000 plus. Crowdfunding ain't just for gadgets. You don't need a thing, just a story. Platforms like GoFundMe, Kickstarter, Indiegogo, or even TikTok and Instagram can connect you with people who vibe with your idea. I've seen strangers throw $10, $50, even thousands, just because they believed in someone's dream. And the best part? You don't give up equity. You just get people hyped to join your mission. Pre-selling a product? Fire move. Equity crowdfunding? Even better. Build a community of owners who promote your business, buy your stuff, and ride with you, all without spending a dime. Social media, crowdfunding, and viral support. Here's where people choke. They think you need some big platform. Nah, you got the biggest tool ever, your own voice. A simple video posted online can pull in investors, fans, and early supporters, all at once. Social media can be your cash engine if you're brave enough to put yourself out there. People want to help. They just need a chance to jump in. And we ain't even done. Stick around, because I'm going to show you how to turn $0 into a fully funded biz, step by step. Whew. Step 5. Pre-sales campaigns. Here's the move. Drop a simple landing page, mock-up, or video explaining what you're building. Collect pre-orders or sign-ups before spending a single dollar. If people are willing to pay up front, you've already got proof your idea hits. No guessing, no wasting cash. Step 6. Bartering and service exchange. No cash? Trade value. Swap skills to grow. Maybe you're a designer but can't code? Find a coder who needs graphics. You trade your skill for theirs, both win. This is how small teams start without spending a dime. It's hustle meets teamwork, and it works every time. Step 7. Strategic partnerships. Find someone who's got resources and wants your skills. That's a win-win. You bring the hustle, they bring the tools, audience, or money. For example, you handle marketing, they handle production. Split profits. No loans, no investors, just collaboration. That's how small players grow big, fast. Step 8. Small tests and validation. Proof beats piles of cash. Test your idea first, then scale. Start small. Run a $10 ad, post a video, or sell a sample. See what people click, like, or buy. If it hits, double down. If not, tweak fast. That's how smart founders avoid going broke. They validate before they invest. Now that you know the playbook, it's time to put it in motion. Because staying broke ain't an option. All right, you've got the playbook now. No more excuses. You don't need money, you need moves. If you're serious about changing your life, start today. Pick one step, take action, and prove everyone wrong. Let's make this the year you stop watching success and start living it. You don't need money, you need action. So stop scrolling, start building. Hit that like, hit subscribe, and let's turn your zero into a legacy.